This week is all about being topsy-turvy. So everything we're doing is upside down. We're back outside again, and this time I have my bandana on so I don't rip my hair out when I'm going upside down. Especially when you start turning, for anybody in breakdance, it's really important that you do take some safety precautions, because if you don't have your hair secure, you are likely to spin on it, and again, you can rip it out. I've also got some cardboard laid out so I can make the turns easier, kind of kicking it old school in the breakdancing realm here and doing some of these moves on cardboard again. This gives us a bit more space and just a change in scenery. Throughout this week, we are going to be learning how to do our tripods and taking those then up into our headstands. And then we're going to learn how to take that tripod and start learning turns on our head. After that, we're going to work on some handstands and 1 and 2 arm freezes. The moves this week are not meant for beginners. We want to make sure that you are well prepared and conditioned in order to handle these moves, so these are not things you should be doing on your own without proper instruction and somebody there to guide you and teach you how to do these things properly. So this should not be something that you're just doing on your own. Again, we want to be avoiding injury, not creating them.